Sun is the center of our solar system as a giant ball of plasma. Pretty hard to miss him when it's 30 million degrees central. You would see physics to helium. He's called solar flares. He's 100 times as wide as Earth and 93 miles far. Despite all this, he's just an average sized star. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the first 4 planets, rocky like ours. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are made of hydrogen and helium gas like a balloon. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and as he takes the least time to run around his orbit. Its year is only 80 Earth days, and the solar wind is a little gas stays on its rocky surface, bare full of craters. With no atmosphere, his temperature is from 800 Fahrenheit to minus 300 at night. There's still some icy craters away from the light. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the first 4 planets, rocky like ours. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are made of hydrogen and helium gas like a balloon. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. He's the same size as Earth, give or take some. Venus is covered in a thick layer of clouds made of carbon dioxide and shrouds heat like a giant blanket. So he's 900 degrees to the greenhouse effect. He's covered in volcanoes and shaped by the powers. The only person is they died within 2 hours. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the first 4 planets, rocky like ours. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, the bit of hydrogen and helium gas like a balloon. The Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun. I got a feeling you're familiar with this one. It's the only planet known to have life in its history. 4 billion years ago, 2 more planets have color, and our moon is formed to reunite Earth in the Goldilocks zone, not too hot or not too cold. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the first 4 planets, rocky like ours. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are made of hydrogen and helium gas like a balloon. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun. The planet has begun. The surface is covered with carbon dioxide. Aliens had put them there. Telescopes, orbiters, aliens can go. Like curiosity. Between inner planets and outer planets, there are billions of asteroids orbiting in the belt of outer stars. Sometimes they're knocked out of their stable orbit, and a few may collide with Earth if they don't avoid the belt. It has to do with Jupiter, you see. It pulls in the belt with this massive gravity prevent asteroids from forming into another planet. But don't worry, a big one can't hit Earth soon, or can it? Jupiter is the 5th planet, he's the largest one, but that's also the Sun. He's a gas giant, so he has no ground, but just sand, but it doesn't mean the surface is blank. Where spot is a giant circle on our surface. Sun is really huge, bigger than the Earth as there are 4 moons. As you can see, Io has volcanoes heated through the sun, and Europa's covered in ice with an ocean inside. Ganymede is the largest moon we know exists. Callisto is covered in craters with the asteroids it hits. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the first 4 planets, rocky like ours. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are made of hydrogen and helium gas like a balloon. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun. I say it's exactly one. Before destroyed. Lakes in a thick orange haze. And so it is, has water in liquid phase. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the first 4 planets, rocky like ours. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are made of hydrogen and helium gas like a balloon. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. His name are deserving of shun. Uranus, or his cousin Neptune. Rings are not as good as Saturn's. He rotates on his side till it's 90+ degrees. That'd be neat. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the first 4 planets, rocky like ours. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, they're made of hydrogen and helium gas like a balloon. Neptune is the 8th and final planet from our star. The Sun is 0.1% out because it is so far. It's a Uranus, best highest condition. Orbit. No, it's a bright blue. It is atmosphere power gust. And Triton has been imagined. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the first 4 planets. Rocky like ours. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are made of hydrogen and helium gas like a balloon. The 9th planet was Pluto, but it's a planet no more. Because he's too small, he's a dwarf planet. This is a Pacific Star. There were more planets found. Hot. Pluto's moon, Chiron, Pluto's little sister. Pluto and Chiron orbit one another. The belt is the orbital cloud. Basically found. Our sun and the planets like Earth and Mars are not all alone. Just look at the stars. You see more stars have their own collection of bodies. That is what the search for exoplanet studies. There are more stars up there that you could see. 300 billion in our galaxy. Billions of galaxies that we know. How small you are here down below.